breakfast time. We got eggs and little muffins, and we just picked up Dakota Slims. Oh God, there is a hell horseradish. Because the horseradishes we've been getting lately have been real wimpy. So this says use in moderation. Product is extremely hot. If abused, may cause damage to your taste buds and quite possibly the taste buds of the people within a 10-foot parameter. 2 tips to beat the heat are try to drink some milk and try not to breathe deeply or at all. Okay, Dave's going to try it.
I'm not going to try it. You try it.
I don't want to try it.
I'm guessing that's probably all I'm going to need.
You're scared.
I'm very scared.
I want to smell it. The fumes like make me pass out.
I can smell it already.
You can?
Ooh. That smells good, though.
Really?
Here, smell.
Oh. It's going to be good.
That's not bad.
Oh, okay.
That's good.
Is it good? Finally, with some heat? Gosh, the ones at the beginning lately are pretty wimpy.
Yeah, this definitely packs a little more heat than others.
Good. All right. Breakfast up. That was good breakfast. I tried the horseradish too. Not as hot as I was expecting. Somewhat disappointing.
Well, they kind of had you set up for a big expectation. Like it's going to...
It is better than what we have been getting.
It was good.
It was
actually good horseradish flavor.
So we're in North Dakota now. We spent the last couple days just driving, making tracks through plains and farmland, and we're in North Dakota. Lignite. We stopped in here just to make some breakfast, stopped at their little grocery store. We are on the very north end, I think Highway 5. It kind of parallels the Canadian border.
I could throw rocks to Canada from here if I wanted.
Probably so.
I won't.
No, don't. We are going to go into Canada tomorrow. We're going to be headed to Winnipeg, and we're going to be meeting our friend Alone. We met him like 2 years ago when we were going through Canada. We stopped in Saskatchewan at a little city campground. Nobody else there.
It was an old salt mining area. I remember the town said the salt of the earth.
Yeah, that's right.
The town looked like it was pretty, like a lot of small towns, not much left in it. It was Labor Day weekend. 3-day weekends, 10 campsites to hook up. It was like $8 or something, $10, something like that.
Yeah.
And no one else there.
And it was hot. I remember it being hot.
And Alone showed up, and we never met before, pulls up on a motorcycle, set up a tent, camped next to us, wound up chatting with him and became fast friends and stayed in touch a little bit on social media. And
yeah,
he always said that he wanted us to come to Winnipeg to his place so he could cook us his traditional. He's from Israel and then immigrated to Canada.
Yeah.
And wanted to cook us this traditional, I guess, Israeli breakfast, shakshuka.
Shakshuka. It's like an egg, tomato. I don't really know. I've actually seen it on a menu one time. We did not order it because I want to get it first from him, the authentic real shakshuka. Yeah, so that's where we're headed, and that's what's going down.
That's what's going down.
We still have some miles to get there, so today and tomorrow is just going to be driving and queuing up, and tomorrow we cross the border, which I hate. Every border crossing. I've been stressing about it for a week now. Got to get rid of our contraband. That would be... But I've got pistols, documents, signed rabies certificates, all the things that...
Passports.
Oh, we need to dig those out, actually. Yeah, so I'm mentally preparing to cross the border. Yeah, that's where we're going. Let's get on the road, make some tracks. North Dakota. Here.
Okay, my life is now complete. I never in my wildest dreams would have ever thought I'd see a moose in North Dakota.
Whoa! Ready for the border crossing. Wish us luck. Whew, they let us in.
You are not old enough to be retired.
Oh yeah, I did get that. They couldn't figure out like how I was retired.
How do you make money?
Oh my gosh, I always get so nervous, but I'm not doing anything wrong. So it's just my nature. Welcome to Manitoba. Okay, we were getting hungry and there wasn't much, like it was just all farmland. So we saw the sign that said picnic.
It just had a picnic table sign or a picture with an arrow.
Kind of wound around the little gravel area.
But
Found
it's a park.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
There's a sign here that says overnight camping is allowed.
Yeah, it's so cool and it's right on the water, I think. Yeah, let's check it out, girl. Oh, cool.
Mallard, drake, and a hen.
Mm-hmm. We are meeting our friends in Winnipeg tomorrow, so we're gonna queue up closer to our destination there. I bet we could throw a frisbee though. Good girl. We are headed towards Shakshuka. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. A traditional Israeli breakfast. I'm really excited for this. I love eating authentic. Remember when we camped with our friends Hakan and Ayşe from Istanbul? Turkey. Yeah. Oh my gosh, she made the most amazing beans, and they were like.
And then Roger and Ginny.
Oh yeah, she made Korean food. Oh my gosh, we're just so blessed to have so many people from all over this world that we get to experience these foods. I'll probably take a ton of pictures so I can show you guys what it looked like. I don't really like going to visit someone and bombarding them with the camera, especially for just a short visit, but I'll definitely take pictures and we'll get back to you about how good this was. That was delicious. So good. He had zucchinis, mushrooms, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, lots of garlic, which was delicious.
It's a long cooking process. That's the whole part of it. All these different flavors, they all kind of come together, and then the eggs go in and they poach in it, and
Yeah, the eggs are
course-
poached right in the liquid.
And then she brought out all kinds of other goodies, and it was
delicious,
So
and
we're
we
gonna-
haven't eaten since.
no, we didn't do any video, but Irene took some pictures of it. So
Yeah, check them out here. This is in the process. They're just putting the eggs in. Doesn't that look so good? I wish you guys had smell-o-vision because it was just incredible.
yeah,
So
we're gonna try to make that sometime in the cast irons.
yeah, I think we should try and make that in the cast iron at camp sometime. That would be.
First, then we had Turkish coffee.
Oh yes, Turkish coffee, which is our second time having Turkish coffee, which is incredible with 2 different sets of friends. And then Iris just got back from Israel, and she came back with these waffle wafers.
They're almost like those wafer sugar cookies, but like on a whole new level, like gourmet.
So good.
The chocolate was not really. It was more cocoa.
Yeah. We can't even describe it.
She sent us off with a box of that and a bag of Turkish coffee, and then he makes this meatball meat that he kebab meat that's supposed to be super fluffy and won't give the recipe to anybody, and he's got a huge gathering, so he made up a bunch of it, so he sent us off with a bunch of that too, and it's like,
oh my god,
we're gonna get even with him.
Yeah, we gotta send him a care package for sure. So we had an amazing time with Iris and Alone, and yeah, it was just a great time. So we got some groceries. We headed out of Winnipeg. We're heading east. Where are we gonna end up? We don't know. So we'll see you down the road.
Carry on.
Carry on.